Welcome to this in-depth Rocket Matter tutorial. So if you're a lawyer, legal assistant, or part of a law firm, you know that case management, billing, and time tracking can be overwhelming without the right tools. Rocket Matter is an all-in-one cloud-based legal practice management software designed to help law firms streamline their workflow, improve productivity, and increase profitability. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Rocket Matter in 2025, including case management, client billing, document automation, and more. Whether you're new to Rocket Matter or looking to optimize your firm's operations, this tutorial has you covered. But before we get started, first let us know what is Rocket Matter. Rocket Matter is a legal practice management software that provides law firms with tools for case management, billing, invoicing, document storage, task management, and client communication. It is designed to streamline administrative tasks, allowing legal professionals to focus on client work and case strategy instead of paperwork. So now let's move on. So simply head over rocketmatter.com, which is their official website. Now from here, you can always try for free. So simply sign up for an account. Now after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. And as you can see, this is your welcome. So first you need to start your setup. So just fill up this information right here. Get started. And basically this is how your dashboard will look like. So you can see. So you have a bunch of different tables right here, such as this snapshot, timekeeper utilization, your balances, your money finder, billing summary, top 5 clients, and of course you can always view the specific tables. As you can see, we have this uh, buttons right here to either refresh, filter, or maximize, and all of these tables are highly customizable. So as you can see, we have the dashboard for the firm, we have the dashboard for you. So you have your upcoming events right here. As you can see, you can move the dashboards wherever you like it to. So we have the events for you, your pending tasks, your snapshot, your timekeeper utilization, your money finder, and of course, we can see our recent activities. Next is we have the time section right here. So we have the time dashboard. So as you can see, basically this is our calendar. So we will see all of the time that are billable, non-billable, no charge, and of course the total amount that you will be billed. So this is our timesheet. You can see we have our timesheets right here. Next section is our calendar. So basically this is how our calendar will look like. Of course, you can always click on specific boxes to add an event. So let's say you have an appointment for tomorrow. You can always add this event right here. You can add the date, the time. You can enter the people or attendees for this event or meeting. You can add the location and, of course, the details of this event. Next, we have our contacts. So basically, what we have right here is our clients, our payee, and the address book. So first, for our clients, you will see all of our clients right here. But right now, we have no data available. So to add a new client, simply click on the Add Client button in the top right here. So simply fill up all of this information right here, such as the general info, the primary party info, the custom fields, other party info, setup, and phone messages. So after filling up all of this information, just click on save and you're good to go. Next is we have the payee. So this goes for the same as the clients. Of course, you can always click here to add a new payee. So just fill up this information and click on save. Next, we have matters. As you can see, from here, you'll see all of your matters or files. So to add a new matter, just click here on add matter. So you can either add a new matter or add new matter with template. As you can see, this is the matter definition. So simply fill up all of this information right here and again, click on save. Next, we have the billing. From here, we will see all of our billings, such as the time and expense. So as you can see, we can add new time cards and add expenses right here. And also see, of course, our invoices. So if you want to add new invoices, again, we always have this options right here in the top right. Next is banking. You can see this is all of the banks. So we can add new banks if we want right here. Select and fill up all of this information again. Next is our documents. Of course, we can always uh, see all of our documents right here. So to upload a document, first we need to add a new matter, and from there we can upload our documents. Next is the practice. So here we will see task, project management, communication, notes, chat, and phone messages. So all features that are basic to a CRM. So basically, Rocket Matter also has a CRM features such as like this one right here. Next is accounting. From here, you'll see the QBO integration, which is the QuickBooks Online integration. Next is reports, basically reports provided by Rocket Matter. So we don't really need to tackle this now. And of course, we have the CRM integration. So to use the CRM integration, you'll need to upgrade your account. So basically, that's all for the features of Rocket Matter. So simply feel free to explore more features of Rocket Matter, explore more about how you can use Rocket Matter to leverage you and your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.